boxing.
Broke it down. Listen. Gordo is a bad. They don't know Gordo. I know Gordo.
They don't know the sick boxer Gordo.
I know Gordo.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
They don't know the Gordo from the amateurs. That's the fucking problem.
Absolutely.
You know what I'm saying? This guy thinks he's coming over here. Boxing.
All right, when you get through there, we're going to put you out your misery. We're going to get you out there.
Beautiful fucking boxing. Fucking shit that you ever seen, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Gordo is back. Is Gordo back?
He's back.
I know Gordo. See, I told you, I know.
And he never left.
Okay.
I was fucking up. I was pressuring him to go in, to be hard. But I forgot my son is the best when he boxes. And you're gonna see the best boxers in the world tomorrow.
Didn't I just say that, man?
And you guys
exactly
gonna
said
see
those
it.
words.
You guys gonna see it. You know what I'm saying? We ain't coming to kill this guy.
Hey, seeing we see.
We're gonna fucking break him down little by little.
If you win, do I get a promise? Wait, no. Did I come here for nothing? If you win, do you promise that it's Devin and
Fuck yeah, for
Lopez?
$20 million, motherfucker. And you know
Don't
that.
price yourself out like that. Don't listen to him. Listen to people that's listening. No, listen.
You know you love money, motherfucker. Come on, bro. $20 million.
It takes $20 million.
$20 million.
See what he said.
Teofimo Lopez versus Haney after we put the shit on this motherfucker. Because it's going to be a fucking boxing exhibition that you guys never seen in your life. And he knows what I'm talking about. Let's go.
Why did you just see that?
Why is it 20 million?
Listen, I don't know. Listen, I have no idea why it's 20 million. That's what he's asking for. One thing that I say is like I told him, he gets back to being Gordo, the Gordo that I know, right? That he was in amateurs. Because before it was the Teo that you guys knew that was a knockout artist, it was Gordo, the hell of a boxer. And if he gets back to being Gordo, then you expect for a great night. But that $20 million shit, I don't know. I don't know what's happening with that.
Heavyweight, man.